Today I'm doing a tire rotation, and it's actually more complicated than people think it is. Most people see a rear wheel drive vehicle and think the proper way to rotate their tires is in a rearward cross pattern. So front left to rear right, front right to left rear, and the two back tires just go up front. But looking at the owner's manual and flipping to the maintenance section, the actual determining factor of a tire rotation are the tires. Because if the car has on bias and bias belted tires, the proper way to rotate them is in a rearward cross pattern. But if it has on radial ply tires, the proper way is front to rear. And the way to find out what tire you have is easy. Just look at a tire. If there's an R in between the aspect ratio and rim diameter, that means it's a radial tire. And on these KO2s, it even says it on the sidewall. So because of that, the correct way to rotate the tires on this rear-wheel drive truck is front to back. And that's important to know because the tires on any given car should be rotated at the first sign of irregular wear. But failing to rotate tires becomes dangerous over time because having your tires wear evenly is important for balance handling. And if the tires are starting to wear unevenly, it leads the car to having less control. And even though there's no irregular wear on these tires, the rule of thumb has always been to rotate them at 7,500 miles or about every 6 months. Most places will do it for free if you bought your tires through them, but if they try to charge you, I wouldn't pay more than 40 bucks. At the end of the day, tire rotations are really necessary, and it may be the most neglected of all routine maintenance tasks.